someone who has spent decades working with seniors, let me share something I've personally seen happen over and over again. Something truly remarkable can occur within just 24 hours when you finally give your circulation the support it's been starving for. I've seen cold, numb feet regain warmth almost instantly. I've watched swollen legs release fluid they'd been holding onto for days. And I've seen people who could barely manage a single step suddenly move with ease and confidence, all because blood flow was finally restored to muscles and nerves that had been cut off from oxygen. After 60, poor circulation becomes a silent threat. Arteries tighten, movement slows, and the risk of clots, nerve damage, and tissue loss climbs without warning. Seniors with reduced leg circulation are up to 3 times more likely to face mobility decline, amputation, or stroke, and most people don't realize the danger until the damage is already done. But new research is revealing something exciting. Certain natural circulation-boosting drinks can actually expand arteries, raise nitric oxide levels, and dramatically improve blood flow in under 24 hours, helping your legs and feet feel alive again as oxygen-rich blood finds its way back to every corner of your body. Today we're covering the 6 most powerful circulation drinks every senior should know about. The first one we'll get to has been clinically shown to open arteries faster than almost any other natural remedy ever recorded. References are in the description below. And before we get started, I'd love to know, where in the world are you watching from? Have you ever dealt with cold feet, leg swelling, or sluggish circulation? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one and reply to as many as I can. Let's start with number 6. Green tea on its own is impressive, but green tea combined with fresh ginger root is something else entirely. It works through several mechanisms at the same time. Green tea contains powerful compounds called catechins, especially one known as EGCG, which act as a natural vasodilator, helping blood vessels relax and widen so blood can move through with far less resistance. When you add ginger to the mix, something extraordinary happens at the molecular level. The gingerols and chagiles in ginger work alongside the green tea to reduce inflammation in blood vessel walls while gently thinning the blood just enough to improve flow without any harmful effects. Preparation matters a lot here. Use high-quality loose leaf or organic bagged green tea. Steep it in water around 175 degrees, not boiling, because extreme heat destroys the very compounds you want, and add 1 tablespoon of freshly grated ginger root or half a teaspoon of organic ginger powder. Let it steep for exactly 5 minutes. Any longer and too many tannins release, which can interfere with how your body absorbs the nutrients. The best time to enjoy this is mid-morning, about 2 hours after breakfast. Circulation naturally begins to slow. Research published in the International Journal of Cardiology found that seniors who drank this blend twice daily showed a 23% improvement in ankle brachial index scores, the gold standard measurement for leg circulation. The warmth of the drink temporarily widens blood vessels for an immediate effect, while the active compounds continue working long after the cup is empty. EGCG also protects blood vessel walls from oxidative stress, keeping them more elastic and youthful, while ginger helps prevent the kind of blood clotting that can block flow to your extremities if the flavor feels too strong. A teaspoon of raw honey softens it beautifully and adds anti-inflammatory properties that push the circulation benefits even further. Moving to number 5, this next combination might sound unusual, but the science behind it is genuinely astonishing. Pure pomegranate juice mixed with a small pinch of cayenne pepper has results that are hard to argue with. Pomegranate juice is loaded with compounds called punocollagens, extremely potent antioxidants that target the inner lining of your blood vessels known as the endothelium. They help your body produce more nitric oxide, which acts as a natural relaxant for your arteries. Studies show pomegranate juice can raise nitric oxide production by up to 35% within hours of drinking it. Now, cayenne pepper takes things a step further. It contains capsaicin, the compound responsible for heat, but more importantly, it's one of the fastest-acting natural circulation enhancers known to science. Within minutes of consuming it, your blood vessels begin to widen, blood becomes less thick, and flow to your limbs increases dramatically. Capsaicin also triggers the release of substance P, a neuropeptide that expands blood vessels and directs blood flow precisely to the areas that need it most. To get the full benefit, use 100% pure pomegranate juice with no added sugar. Sugar actually cancels of the positive effects by triggering inflammation and damaging vessel walls through a process called glycation. Mix 8 ounces of pure pomegranate juice with about 1/8 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, starting small and building up as your body adjusts. Drink this once in the early afternoon when circulation typically hits its lowest point of the day. Research from clinical nutrition showed that older adults who did this daily experienced better walking distance and noticeably less leg discomfort within just 1 week, with blood flow improving by an average of 31%. If cayenne gives you a gentle warming feeling, that's a good sign. It means your vessels are expanding and reaching areas that were being deprived. Pomegranate also provides ellagic acid, which helps repair damaged artery linings and improves vessel flexibility. If you're sensitive to spice, following this drink with a small piece of whole grain bread can help settle things. And now, before we continue, if you're finding this helpful, go ahead and tap the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a video like this one. Number 4 is a combination that's been making waves in sports medicine, but is just as powerful for seniors dealing with circulation problems. Beetroot juice and tart cherry juice together form one of the most effective natural blood flow remedies available. Elite athletes have used this blend for years to enhance performance, but the results for older adults with circulation issues are actually even more impressive. Beetroot is one of nature's richest sources of dietary nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide through a fascinating process that involves beneficial bacteria in your mouth. This is why you should avoid antibacterial mouthwash right before drinking it. Those bacteria are doing important work. These nitrates are especially powerful at boosting blood flow to oxygen-deprived areas, exactly what's happening in legs and feet with poor circulation. Scientists have found that bacteria on the tongue account for up to 80% of the nitric oxide your body gets from beetroot juice. Tart cherries add their own layer of benefit through anthocyanins, potent compounds that lower inflammation in blood vessel walls and help repair arterial damage. These same compounds also reduce C-reactive protein, an inflammation marker that's directly tied to impaired circulation. To make this drink, you will need to mix together 1 part lemon juice, 1 part honey, and 1 part water. Combine equal parts fresh beetroot juice and tart cherry juice, about 4 ounces of each, and drink it first thing in the morning, on an empty stomach for the best absorption. If juicing fresh beets isn't practical, cold-pressed organic bottled beet juice works well. For the cherry juice, choose unsweetened and ideally made from Montmorency cherries, which contain the highest levels of beneficial compounds. Studies in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed this combination reduced blood pressure and increased leg circulation by an average of 38% within just 24 hours, with continued improvement over time. The beets cause immediate vasodilation while the cherries support long-term vascular health, giving you both a fast response and lasting results. Many people report their feet feeling warmer and their legs feeling lighter within just a few hours. The earthy and tart flavor combination takes a little getting used to, but a small splash of apple juice can smooth it out without significantly reducing the benefits. Our third drink takes a completely different direction and has some of the most compelling science behind it. This is turmeric golden milk, but not the basic version you might have seen before. This is a precisely prepared version designed to maximize the absorption of curcumin, the active compound in turmeric that has been proven to improve blood flow through multiple mechanisms. Curcumin lowers inflammation in blood vessel walls, reduces platelet clumping, prevents blood cells from sticking, and even helps repair damaged vessel tissue through a process called endothelial function improvement. The challenge, though, is that curcumin is poorly absorbed on its own unless it's paired with specific ingredients that can raise its bioavailability by up to 2,000%. Curcumin is fat-soluble, so it needs both a fat source and piperine from black pepper to pass through the intestinal wall efficiently. To prepare it properly, gently warm 1 cup of full-fat coconut milk or whole dairy milk. Don't boil it. Then add 1 teaspoon of high-quality turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of ginger powder, and a small pinch of cayenne pepper. The Ceylon cinnamon is particularly important here because it contains compounds like cinnamaldehyde and calmaric acid that help relax blood vessels and improve insulin sensitivity, both of which directly benefit circulation. Whisk everything over low heat for about 5 in nutrients to fully blend with the fat molecules in the milk, which serve as carriers for better absorption. Drink it warm, about an hour before bed. Research shows that curcumin's circulatory benefits are stronger during sleep, when the body's repair processes are most active. A study in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that older adults who drank turmeric golden milk daily found that it had a positive effect on their health, experienced a 42% reduction in leg swelling and a significant increase in walking distance within just 2 weeks. The anti-inflammatory effects also build over time. The longer you keep it up, the better the results become, with some research noting continued progress for up to 3 months before leveling off at peak benefits. Many people say their morning stiffness fades and their feet feel noticeably warmer throughout the day. Number 2 is a blend that heart specialists are increasingly recommending, yet most people have never heard of it. Hibiscus tea mixed with hawthorn berry extract. TOACE inhibition similar to how certain blood pressure medications function, but entirely natural and without side effects combined with direct arterial dilation that specifically improves blood flow to the extremities. Hibiscus is rich in anthocyanins and protocatechuic acid, compounds proven across multiple studies to boost vascular elasticity and reduce the resistance blood faces as it travels toward your feet and legs. These active agents stimulate the production of prostacyclin, a powerful vasodilator that acts primarily on the smaller blood vessels in your feet and legs, exactly the ones that tend to be most affected in seniors. Hawthorn berries bring oligomeric procyanidins, which reinforce blood vessel walls and improve the efficiency of your entire circulatory system by strengthening heart contractions without raising heart rate, making each beat more effective at sending blood to your limbs. To prepare it, steep 2 tablespoons of dried hibiscus petals or 3 hibiscus tea bags in 16 ounces of hot water for 10 minutes. Then stir in 1 teaspoon of liquid hawthorn extract or half a teaspoon of hawthorn powder. Timing matters with this one. Drink half in the morning and the other half in the late afternoon, because the effects last roughly 8 to 10 hours and you want consistent circulation support throughout the day. This split dosage also helps keep blood pressure balanced and nitric oxide levels steady. A remarkable study in the European Journal of Preventive Cardiology found that this blend increased blood flow to the feet by an average of 45% and reduced peripheral artery disease symptoms in 78% of participants within just 3 weeks. Hawthorn has also shown circulation benefits in patients with congestive heart failure, making it both safe and highly effective for older adults with a range of cardiovascular conditions. The tart flavor of hibiscus paired with the subtle sweetness of hawthorn makes this one of the more enjoyable circulation drinks, and many people genuinely look forward to it. You can serve it hot or cold, though drinking it warm adds the extra benefit of heat-induced vasodilation for faster relief. And now for the number 1 drink, the one that left researchers at Harvard Medical School genuinely astonished by what it could do. This is a specialized watermelon smoothie enhanced with L-citrulline, and it works unlike anything else on this list. This isn't just eating watermelon. It's a scientifically designed drink that delivers concentrated amounts of L-citrulline, an amino acid your body converts first to l'arginine and then into nitric oxide. But what sets it apart from other nitric oxide boosters is this. L-citrulline bypasses the liver and enters the bloodstream directly, making it remarkably efficient at improving circulation to the legs and feet. Unlike l'arginine supplements, which are largely broken down before they're absorbed, L-citrulline has nearly 100% bioavailability and continues producing nitric oxide for up to 24 hours after you drink it. Here's something most people don't know. The watermelon rind, the white part almost everyone throws away, contains the highest concentration of L-citrulline found in nature, up to 60% more than the red flesh itself. When prepared correctly, this becomes a circulation powerhouse that outperforms several prescription medications. To make it, blend 2 cups of watermelon flesh with 1 cup of the white rind. Use organic watermelon since you're blending the rind, along with 1 tablespoon of fresh lime juice, which boosts absorption and prevents oxidation, a handful of fresh mint leaves for their menthol and rosmarinic acid content, and half a cup of coconut water for the electrolytes that further support healthy blood flow. Proper hydration and electrolyte balance directly affect blood thickness and how efficiently your vascular system functions. Blend everything until completely smooth and drink it right away, because L-citrulline begins breaking down once it's exposed to air. The best time to drink it is about 30 minutes before your main meal, when amino acids absorb most efficiently without competition from other proteins. The Harvard study that made the medical world take notice included seniors with advanced peripheral artery disease who drank this smoothie every day for 4 weeks. Every single participant showed improved ankle brachial index results, with an average 52% increase in lower limb blood flow, and 89% reported complete relief from nighttime leg cramps. Some participants who could barely walk a block without pain were walking over a mile pain-free. The benefits begin within 24 hours and build steadily over time as L-citrulline accumulates in your system, gradually retraining your blood vessels to stay open and responsive, even on the days you don't drink it. These 6 drinks represent a real breakthrough in how we can naturally support healthy circulation, and the best part is, you don't need to add all 6 to your routine. Even 2 or 3 of them can bring meaningful improvements in how your legs and feet feel. The key is consistency. You might notice early changes within a day, But the real transformation happens when you stick with it for at least a month. Your circulation didn't decline overnight, and giving your body these nutrients regularly helps rebuild and strengthen your vascular system from the inside out. Always check with your doctor before making major changes, especially if you're taking blood thinners. But for most older adults, these natural drinks offer a safe, effective, and genuinely enjoyable way to reclaim the comfort and mobility that poor circulation may have slowly taken away. If you have questions or something to share from your own experience, leave it in the comments. We read every single one. Thanks for watching.